Welcome back to the channel, friends. Today, I'm giving you a full look at my minimalist desk setup, where every item earns its place. It's clean, calm, and designed to help me focus, whether I'm working, editing, or raiding in World of Warcraft Classic. This isn't just for show. This setup reflects how I actually live and work every day. And yes, it all leans into practical minimalism. Use what you love, keep what you use. Let's start with the EcoStash Accordion File Organizer. If you've ever wrestled with a chaotic desktop full of bills and paperwork, this is your answer. I use it to transform a messy file table into something totally streamlined. It has 26 expandable pockets, colorful labels for easy sorting, and it can even be laid inside a desk drawer. I really like the combination of colors that they use for the label tabs, making it easier to quickly find what I'm looking for depending on its category. It's made with eco-friendly materials, comes in a variety of colors, and looks slick on any desk. Bills, receipts, notes, filed and found fast. Next up is the Keychron K4 Wireless Mechanical Keyboard. It's clicky, compact, and has that RGB glow that I love. It can be used wirelessly, but I personally plug it in. One less thing to charge. Paired with that is the ELECOM Wireless Trackball Mouse. I've had wrist and shoulder strain from regular mice, but this trackball design is a game changer for repetitive stress. And it has some extra buttons on the side that you can map if you're gaming or if you're using it for productivity. It's smooth, precise, and has seriously helped with my ergonomics. Cables are the enemy of a clean desk, so I've got a few tools in play. The Rosonway powered USB hub keeps all my devices connected and charged. And one of the best things I've added to it is a simple USB-C to micro SD card reader. It's perfect for transferring footage from my iPhone to my PC using the micro SD card. Super clean, super fast. Additionally, I hide all the messy cables using cable sleeves and a bamboo lidded cable box, so no clutter and no distractions. And right on top of my desk is an Anker power bank. 10,000 milliamp hours with a built-in USB-C cable and lanyard, ready whenever my phone dips below during long sessions. Let's talk about sound. I use the Sony WH-1000XM4 headphones for deep focus and immersive sound. They're wireless, noise canceling, and perfect for both work and gaming. I keep them plugged into my system using a coiled aux cord when I want zero latency, and when they're not in use, they rest securely under my desk on the Anker by Elevation Lab, a sleek, under-desk mount that keeps them out of the way but always within reach. For communication, I use the FIFINE Gaming USB Microphone. It's crystal clear for Discord chats and raid coordination in WoW Classic. It looks great on my desk and works flawlessly out of the box. Even in a digital space, I need to jot things down. I always keep a classic Oxford composition notebook, a stack of Post-it notes, and a Sharpie S-Gel pen within reach. All of it is stored neatly in my CountyCom Tactical Think Tank X-Pack cover, complete with a Sofix X3R pen patch for quick access. And behind that is my CountyCom Embassy Pen rotating dock. Basically a podium for my pens that rotates on this really nice bearing that makes it pretty fidgety and really easy to spin. Right now I've got it loaded out with the Ultem, stainless steel, and polycarbonate Embassy pens, plus my trusty Mr. Pen mechanical pencil, an Olight O-Pen Mini 2, a Sharpie fine tip marker, and a Bic highlighter. It's excessive maybe, but for me it's essential. Every tool has its purpose. Whether I'm taking notes, highlighting things, sketching, drawing a picture, I have everything right at hand. And then sitting under my monitor is a tiny but mighty item, the Olight iMini 2 flashlight. I use it all the time for peeking behind my monitor, inside tech pouches, or finding cables in low light. It's so small I forget it's there until I need it. And then to turn it off, you just put it magnetically into its base that also has a little USB-A charger on the end, and it's just the perfect little mini flashlight to keep you for super small jobs at your desk. And then, at the center of my workspace, is the Lenovo ThinkVision P27u-20 monitor. It's a 27-inch 4K display that strikes the perfect balance between gaming and productivity. Bright, crisp, and easy on the eyes during long editing sessions or spreadsheet marathons. And these line-arc silicone coasters, I use them daily. One for coffee, one for whatever adult beverage is helping me through my editing queue. This setup reflects everything I believe in: function, focus, and minimalism. It's not about having less for the sake of it, but choosing what works and cutting out the rest. If something's not useful every day, it doesn't stay. If you found this helpful or inspiring, let me know in the comments what your favorite desk item is. or what you'd add to your setup. Be sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss future reviews and setup tours. And I'll see you next time. Take care.